All right, hello, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about demographics. Yeah, demographics in Google Analytics. There are demographics in Google Analytics. Let's do this. All right, so demographics have received a little bit of a turn over the last few years because, like, it used to be the only thing that we used to buy our advertising towards, like males, 13 to 14. We wouldn't advertise against people who were 13 to 14. Previously, what we used to do was that we used to split everyone into, specific target groups based on their age, their gender, not even the kind of websites they visited, just like general assumptions that our consumption group or our customer group is a specific age, a specific gender, live in a specific part of the country, and have a specific wage. Some of them might still be true, but the whole idea of assuming what your demographic is kind of weird, right? In Google Analytics, you can use the demographics report not alone, because alone it won't tell you that much, but together with segments where you analyze different channels, where you analyze different, like, converters versus non-converters, when you look at certain pages, certain popular content on the website. All of those types of things, it's interesting to have a look at, especially when you're considering acquiring more traffic to your website. Alright, so the demographics page can be found in your left-hand navigation under audiences. You can find demographics. Available in Google Analytics now are demographics for age and gender. And so in the age report, you will be able to see such things as your different visitors in different age groups, and under gender you will be able to see defined gender for the groups that have been visiting your website. Now, if you want to segment these users, I suggest that you add a segment and then you have a look at, for example, goal. In this case, I have a segment here called goal completers, defined for this specific website, where I'll be able to look at the people who have converted to a goal that I've set on my website. The goal I've set on my website are people who hit this get free download button and are then sent away to get the download from my book here. And so, as you can see, the only ones who have converted here are the people between 25 to 34 and people who are 35 to 44. This is interesting for two things. Like, either my content isn't suitable for the rest of the people, or I can see that people who are 35 to 44 are converting to a higher degree than people who are 25 to 34. And maybe, since I have most people here 25 to 34 coming to my website, then that might be interesting to try to see how I could increase the number of people who are 25 to 34 who would convert on this page. Knowing that this page looks like crap and that we're going to optimize it in coming videos, I'm not that concerned, but this is one of the kind of breakdowns that would be interesting to have a look at. Now, if you want to refine this even further, you can look at the segmentation or the segments video that I have on how to actually look only on this page, look at what are the ages who visited that page and what does the relationship look between converters there. But this is one of the ways that I suggest that you use this report in Google Analytics. In this instance, you try to target certain messages that you find by looking at demographics and behavior data, such as most visited pages, the type of images people have clicked and such things. You use those things together, and then you target people, like different demographics with different images, with different copy headlines, with different landing pages. To give you an example here, let's say you are marketing a product for, like, glasses, for example. If I recognize myself in the image of the person wearing the glasses on the landing page, it's much more likely that I will make the purchase than not so. Let's toss that up as a hypothesis. Now, wouldn't it be better if you would be able to see whether or not that was the truth? Well, the demographics data allows you to do that. So when you target an ad towards a senior and there is a senior on the landing page, then you will be able to find out whether or not targeted seniors in ads respond well to seniors on the landing page, and then you will know for a fact. Otherwise, you would be like guessing, and then your targeting with ads might be wrong, and your landing page might be wrong. Then maybe it's the fact that people who are seniors might, want an image with young people, and then the landing, you get the whole ordeal there. The thing I'm trying to get across here is that you can use the demographic data to do generalizations that will work because you try them out and you segment people into clusters where you can match content on your page with the advertising you do, and that will match more or less with the most popular advertising systems that are out there, such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, Oath, and those things. So that's all I'm saying. Don't use the demographic data just to look at demographics. Use it together with segments in order to understand how you can refine your targeting in your advertising. That's all I'm saying.